Good morning, it's 7 a.m. Vietnamese strong coffee black. Roti. Oh. Whoa! I think this is people's house. Nothing like a big uphill to start your day. Just cleared my first slope of the day. It's about 5 km. This is your after breakfast treat. Make you climb up here to see how beautiful the city is. The side road took me here. I guess, you know, that's the beauty of not sticking to just the big roads. Okay, let me share what I have on me, and later on I'll share what my equipment, my gears are to have gotten me so far. First of all, the important thing that's on me is my shirt. This is a hiking and biking hybrid shirt. Okay, what do I have in here? The 3 pockets at the back. My mobile phone, one. The other one is my money and passport. Oh, I normally put it in a Ziploc bag just in case. Okay, and then on the last pocket over here is a selfie stick. It's actually a tripod selfie stick, which come in very handy if I need to shoot myself. And also, of course, I attach it with a quick release for the GoPro. One more thing, this thing also come in very handy when I'm being attacked by hostile dogs. Okay, junction, both downhills. This is a good time to check my map to make sure that I'm not taking a wrong one. You know, the wrong one coming back up is going to be hell. After 3 hours and 15 minutes, I cover 26 km. What do I carry on my bike? I have a water bag that I put medical kit and bike tools and all. Hopefully I never have to open it. And then the panel bags are Timbuktu. They're actually commuter bags. They're not exactly the touring bag. And my helmet. Helmet is fitted. As I was saying, helmet is fitted with the quick snap, so I can put my GoPro here if I want to shoot going away scene. Another bloody climb. This whole morning is nothing but climb and climb and climb. Okay, got a lot of headwind, a lot of uphill, so I have to stop quite a bit, replenish my energy. How do you get up a never-ending slope? Answer: one revolution at a time. I talk to myself a lot when I'm cycling. Now, for the last 10 kilometers, I was thinking of what to eat when I go back to Singapore. So I've decided that I'm gonna go Katong Shopping Center and eat chicken rice. I think I may have climbed until I reach Paris. Holy moly. Looks like a long descent. There may be a town at the end. Maybe I'll just stop there for lunch. 6 hours and 38 minutes later, I only cleared 68 kilometers and hungry. So, looks good, right? Look at this sunlight. I better cover up. Oh, it's only about 12 kilometers to go, so come on, let's go. I've reached Buematut, the capital city of Davao province. At least the road is not up. This is kind of slight up, so that's okay. Okay, the last two things that carry me all the way here is a rack. One of them is a rack. The rack is actually a makeshift one put together with cable tie, as you can see. Okay, the bicycle is a Fuji Nevada 4.0. It's a 26-inch. Used to be a mountain bike when I got it 20 years ago. Good bike for me. I love it.